Welcome to a virtual tour of Vasitum. Vasitum is an HR tech platform leveraging AI and ML technology to automate and streamline the recruitment cycle. Paired with automated real-time communication, screening, and scheduling, Vasitum is a modern-day HR powerhouse to shorten the employment process and foster everyone's ability to reach their full potential. So let's get started. Upon entering your login credentials, you land on the Recruiter dashboard. The dashboard allows you to manage internal teams, preview the status of previously posted jobs, and helps admins gain control over the entire recruitment process. The Manage Team feature allows you to add or remove admins as well as members from your team. The search bar at the top allows you to conduct a filtered candidate search so you can find the perfect fit for your company. The populated results take you to the profiles of candidates with relevant work experience, educational qualifications, and other details. Recruiters are free to add multiple tags to each profile. These tags help you create filters for further candidate searches, recycle candidates over a period of time, and bring in efficiency in your long-term recruitment goals. If a candidate is an applicant, you can see the previously applied jobs as well as their screening status. Moving on to database. The bulk upload feature allows you to create and manage your own repository. The filtered search function on this database saves you from missing out on deserving candidates and saves time spent on screening thousands of resumes. The single-step upload process helps to add new resumes, update existing ones, and display the count of duplicates and failed attempts. The Upload Profiles option directs you to the page from where you can start sending screening requests. The profiles here can be filtered and sorted per relevance. The screening requests can be sent individually or in bulk. The portal allows you to choose the job and add a personalized message, which can be sent via SMS or email. The data uploaded by your team members can be tracked under the Uploaded Status category. Here, the file count, status, and successful uploads are visible for each individual. You can use the same platform to connect with your candidates through messaging. The notification panel will keep the recruiter informed about any upcoming interviews or schedule changes and categorize them too. On the extreme right side, your name will take you to your company career page, subscription details, and other settings to manage your profile. The usual recruitment process involves posting a job, receiving hundreds of applications, and recruiters spending hours searching for the right candidate. Several hours are spent screening them, calling each one to validate the information before proceeding with the next round of interview. With Vasitum, it takes a few minutes to fill the job description and, if required, also set a walk-in interview date and time. The screening criteria is finalized by the recruiter with a set of questions based on the job description. Adding a specific custom question is also possible. Any knockout question, when answered with a no, will reject the candidate's resume. Custom questions can be single or multi-select and marked as a knockout question. When you go ahead to publish the job, the system will prompt you to add an assessment if required. You can choose from the existing range of templates and also decide the difficulty level or create your own assessment. As soon as the job is published, you will be able to share it on different platforms. The job detail page will start showing the resumes per relevance and display the match percentage. You can send screening requests from here too. Now let's take a quick tour of the candidate journey. Candidates who get a screening request receive an email to view the job and apply. To complete the process, they are directed to the Vasitum login page where they can create their profile. If they are already registered, they will simply click to apply and proceed with the next steps of the application. As soon as they click on apply, our AI-based chatbot, Vasi, takes over the screening process. It pops up with a screening questionnaire along with the knockout questions, which decides if a given candidate will qualify for the next level or not. If an assessment is added to the job post, Vasi takes the candidate through the proctored test and sends the results to the recruiter. The recruiter view starts displaying the applications on the dashboard for each posted job. Each job detail page will display the applicants' profiles, along with the assessment scores, screening responses, and the next interview schedule details. This page further shows a detailed analysis of the score, the screening responses, allowing the recruiter to plan the next set of questions for the following round. In addition to this, under the admin's profile, the recruiters can see the reports and metrics which can give insights to all activity done by the team, available to be extracted from the platform for further analysis. With Vasitum, recruitment is easier, you save time, reduce costs, and find the best candidates efficiently. Come and reimagine recruitment with us.